Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the video autoplay on App Store on this device. For this, go to settings, then here you can see the option App Store. Tap on this one, then scroll down. Here you can see the option video autoplay. You can see automatically play app review videos in the App Store. Tap on this one. Now I select the option Wi-Fi only. When the device is connected to any Wi-Fi, then the video preview of any application will automatically played in the App Store. Okay, so if you want to disable this one, simply select the option off. You can see autoplay will temporarily turn off if you have low battery or slow internet connection. Okay, if you want to enable this when the internet mobile net data will enabled, then just simply select the option on. If you select this one, then the mobile data will used. If you select Wi-Fi, it will select only Wi-Fi data. So simply in this way you can enable or disable the video autoplay on App Store. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.